Hello YouTube. Chastek's back with another great video, and today's video is about a computer or laptop or a PC restarting randomly due to several problems or causes. Your computer may restart repetitively. So what are the causes and what are the solutions will be covered on this video. So if you are new here, please subscribe Chastek and like this video, and you can give me comments on the comment section. So let's see what are the real causes behind restarting of your computer randomly. So in this video, we are going to cover two major portions related with hardware or software failures. So the first one is the hardware causes. So we are going to see what are the hardware causes related with computer restarting. So on the hardware issues, the first one will be heating issue. So the heating issue is related with your computer may get overheated due to the fan stopped working or some other problem. So check your computer's fan is working correctly. So check the heating or if it is overheated. So that could be the cause. So maybe the CPU's fan is not working correctly. So that makes the computer to get overheated, and it will make your computer to restart repetitively. So check the heating, the heat of your computer. If it is overheated, so there is a problem related with your computer. So you should have to check that. The second one will be dust. So dusts are one of the impacts in your computer restarting problems. So dust and overheating, they may interrelate. So when your computer gets older or after some period of time, it will be filled with dust. So you should have to clean the dust particles on your computer, because it will lead your fan to stop working, and after your fan stop working, it makes computer to be heated. So those conditions will lead to your computer to restart repetitively. So check or clean your computer from dust particles inside your computer. So you should have to be effective in opening and cleaning your computer, because while you open or while you cleaning, you may make some damages. So be wise and be effective while you clean your laptop or computer's fan or other parts of the computer. The third thing is the power supply. Check the power supply section of your computer, whether it's connected effectively. Sometimes it may get unplugged in, so those things, or when you move your system unit or when you move your cablings, your computer will restart if repetitively. So check the cables are installed or connected effectively, even the with related with the power station and also inside your computer. So power supply also make your computer to restart repetitively. The third one will be externally connected devices. So this will be another hardware issues, which is while you insert maybe USB flash drives or any connected external devices, may lead your computer to restart repetitively. So check each of them one by one by unplugging and checking your computer. So that those external devices may lead your computer to restart repetitively. So we have seen about the hardware failures. So now let's see about what are the software failures that are causing computer to restart randomly or repetitively. So the solution and the cause for the software failures are, let's see. So the second one will be disabling fast startup. So to disable this fast startup, we are going to log in. We are going to click here the desktop icon, and here type on the search box control panel. Sorry, control panel. Here it already availed. So we open the control panel. So it works for Windows 10 also. This solution works for Windows 10, or some users maybe there will be Windows 8 or 7 users. So these solutions also work for those Windows versions. So after we open the control panel, then we select here hardware and sound. And after the hardware and sound, then under the power option, then we go to change what the power button do. Here, change what the power button do. So under change what the power button do, here we have change settings that are currently unavailable. So we select this one and we can make changes for all this shutdown settings. So here we have turn on fast stop restart, which is, as I said, we are going to disable this section. So uncheck this one, which is turn on the fast stop startup recommended, which is uncheck this and go to save changes. So it's going to save the change, and you are going to check whether the fast startup stopped or not. Then the other one will be uninstalling Windows updates, which is recent or latest Windows updates, because those updates may cause the restarting problem. So we are going to open here the Windows section, and we are going to click here the setting. And after the setting opens, then we are going to check the Windows updates. Then check for update history here, update history. So after the update history opened, we are going to check in the bottom, which is uninstalling updates. So uninstall updates. So here it opens uninstall and update. So we are going to check recent updates that are made on the computer, because those recent updates may be they may be the reason for the restarting. So select this one. Already have one recent update. So even you can check here installed on in order to get the recent updates, and you can select here uninstall to uninstall those recent updates and to check or to stop the restarting problem, and uninstall all those recent Windows updates and check whether the solution is appeared or not. So log in under the safe mode on your computer and let us function some solutions to stop the restarting problem. So to get in under the safe mode, click on your here on the Windows icon here and right click on it. Then it will show you here run. So select run and type under the run section here msconfig. Let's type it again, msconfig, and select OK. So after you type msconfig, it will provide you this system configuration menu, and select here boot. So after you select boot, here you find safe boot, which leads you to safe mode. So select here the safe boot, then select here apply, then select OK. So it will ask you to restart your computer in order to log in to the safe mode. So select the restart and it will proceed to the safe mode. So restart. Okay, as you can see, we are logged in under the safe mode of the computer. So you can check every corner of your monitor and you can find safe mode. And so let's start on how we can stop the restarting function. So under the safe mode, we are going to disable automatic restart features. So in order to disable automatic restart features, we will go to here the desktop icon, which is the same goes for Windows 10 or Windows 8. Just log into the safe mode and go to the desktop. Then here you find the setting. So open setting, then after you open the setting, then type which is advanced, type here advanced system setting, advanced system setting. So as you can see here, view advanced system setting, as you can see, view advanced system setting. So we will open this advanced system setting. Then after, as you can see here, startup and recovery is available here, startup and recovery. So under the startup and recovery, we will open setting. So after you open the setting, here you find automatically restart. So on a system failure, your computer will automatically restart. We are seeing some of the problems related with heating issues or some failures. When they appear, it will automatically restart. So we will uncheck this automatically restart. So uncheck or disable this automatic restart and select OK and close this and close this one again. So we did disabling the automatic restart feature. And the second one is uninstalling recently installed programs. Sometimes programs that are installed may lead to restarting your computer. So what program did you install recently or earlier? So checking those programs and uninstalling them may also be a solution to stop the restarting problem. So the same goes here. We will click here the Windows icon and we will go to the settings section and we will type here under the settings section, we will type control panel. Here under the settings section, under the search box, type control panel. Control panel. So here the control panel is available. So we will open the control panel and we will make it under the category, and here you'll find programs or uninstall programs. So open the programs, open the uninstall program, and here you find lists of programs that are installed on your computer. So let's make it based on the date or recently installation. So here we click installed on. So when I click installed on, there are programs that are installed which is recently. So here are some programs that are installed recently on 12, which is on this days, which is recent days. So here are the installed programs. So let's select Opera Stable, for example, this one. So as you can see, when you select the programs, it will show you uninstall. So remove a program that you think may lead you to the restarting. So check by uninstalling the programs that are recently installed on your computer. So if you select Google Chrome and select uninstall, and it will give you which is this pop-up menu, and you can also delete browsing data and uninstall this program. So select the program that leads you to the restarting problem. And the other solution related on the safe mode is related with update system drivers. So updating the system drivers also causes this problem. So you can select here the Windows icon and again select setting, and under the setting type here device manager. On here you'll type here device manager. So I type here the device manager, and here the device manager is opening, and a lot of drivers are installed on this device manager. So check or update each drivers that you think is causing the restarting, maybe related with the computer, which is this one, select and update driver and search automatically for the driver and check for the best driver for your device is already installed as it's saying. So check for each of the computers and update each of the drivers. For example, related with the display, select and update a driver and search automatically, and the best driver is already installed for my computer. But check each of the drivers whether updated successfully or not, or the recent or the updated drivers are inside your computer, because those outdated drivers are maybe causing the restarting problem. So to get out of the safe mode, again, you'll right click on the here on the Windows icon and select run. Then we will type here msconfig, then select OK. And after you select OK, it will provide you the system configuration that we find earlier. Then select boot and uncheck safe boot and select apply, then select OK. Then it will ask you to restart, so it will get out from safe mode and go to the normal section. So select restart. If all the solutions are not working, there is a solution called reset to a restore point, which is Windows have a restore point on how you can create a restore, which is when your computer is in a good condition, you can create a restore point. There is a video that I made on how you can create a restore points. I'll pin on the cards on the top right corner of the video, and you can see on how you can create a restore point. But on this video, if you have a restore point, then select those restore points to get into the best which is the best performance of your computer. So to get those restore points, we are going to click here the Windows icon, and we are going to click here on the search bar and type this code, which is rstrui, which is a run command which directly lead us to the restore point section, which is a starting system restore as it's displayed. So here the restore system file setting is opened, and it's going to give me the proceed section. Then I'll click next. Then here there is an automatic restore point by the system on this date. So when you select this restore point, it will directly lead you to those back days which your computer work was effective, which try to explain about the day those your computer works effectively. So when I click this one and select the next, then my computer will go back to those days and it will fix the restarting solution. So it's all about today's video, which is solving the repetitive restarting problems on the PC or on your computers. So thank you, and if you have any comments, you can give me on the comment section, and you can like and subscribe my channel. Check it out.